Here we go, HOBBYBOX604, back with another group break. This is group break number 523, Trilogy, single box, team select. Box number is 572. 572. Good luck. Andy, you took my knife.
Oh, no, I'll give it back.
Aren't you freezing?
What?
Aren't you freezing?
No.
Wow.
No, I got flavor now. I got girl with 2 kids texting me. Come take care of my kids.
Pack 1 is nice. Robbie Fabry to $9.99 for St. Louis.
Oh, you doing it?
No, that's just a single box.
Oh, guess what I just hit? What? Contenders.
For the Nashville Predators, level 1, 54 of $5.99. Kevin Fiala, rookie jersey.
Don't hate me. Don't hate me, please. Nothing but love. Nothing but love.
Nice hit for the Vancouver Canucks. Jake Virtanen, 365 of $4.99. Rookie autograph for the Canucks. Whoever has the Canucks. Ricky has the Canucks? No, he has it in the case, not a single box.
He has Canucks in Edmonton, I think.
For the Buffalo Sabres, puck autograph, Martin Biron.
That's an old player.
Yeah,
You're gonna do another box, Kobe?
another one. Wow, 2 pucks in back-to-back packs. Brett Ritchie signature pucks for the Dallas Stars. 2 pucks in this box. Back-to-back packs as well. Weird. For the New Jersey Devils, $4.97 of $5.44. Michael Camilleri. For the LA Kings, $2.22 of $7.18. Jeff Carter. And the last one.
That girl's so in shape, man.
For the Detroit Red Wings, 102 of 571. Pavel Datsuk.
Yeah, 2 times.
There you go. Thanks, everyone. 524 in the books.